Welcome to another how-to video. In this video, let me show you how you can check and remove connected apps on Facebook using various devices including iPhone, Android, Mac, and PC. Open Facebook on your device, log into your account if you haven't already, tap the three horizontal lines or the menu icon in the bottom right for iPhone or top right for Android, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Apps and Websites. This section shows all the apps that have access to your Facebook account. Click on Apps and Websites to view the list of connected apps. Examine the list of connected apps. You'll see both active and expired apps. Review the permission each app has. To check removed apps, simply tap on View Removed App and Websites below, and you will see the apps you removed from before. To remove one, you first need to identify any apps you no longer use or trust. Let's say you want to remove your access to Blizzard Entertainment. Simply tap on it. Now click on Remove, and there you go. You already removed the app. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.